All day here, which is great because we had 2 months of rain in March, which is nice weather. But we had like 2.5 inches last night. What is now? I'm gonna drop off some chocolates to my sister. Handmade some coconut lemon, and I have some eggs from my favourite local chocolatier. But I'm also going to go for a walk because my mood has been a bit shabby. And I already feel a bit better having just got in the car. So let us go to the park together and deliver some eggs. Let's be Easter Bilbies together. Thanks, yes. Back in there. I got some too. Thank you. Should I go that way? Or that way? This way, I think. It makes me think of Sunday. This is where we used to walk every day. There's these top knot pigeons right here. I'll show you. Aren't they funny? They're little top knots. That's not one. Those guys at the back. Little native pigeons, I think. Oh, and here comes sprinkling rain. Lucky I like the rain. And I've got an umbrella. And chocolate in my pocket. Isn't she beautiful? It's raining. Very pretty. Beautiful sound. walk up the hill this time. I think maybe my waterfall walk is going to be further out. Let's have a look, shall we? More hens. Oh, yeah. Can we cross? What do you think, guys? I'll stop you doing a normal walk. Your walk. Give them a little bit of space. I like to look up there if we can. We don't want to disturb them. We're going to go a different way. The poor deers are getting very confused by me. Oh, no, they're tracking me. Alright, I think I can go. Oh no, still confusing them. I'm just going to go ahead. I don't want to split up the family. I just want to get across here. Good, they've joined up again. All three. There's another one. And a duck. And here's the little waterfall. Is it running, Jay? A bit slow, but beautiful. It's joining me. My mood's better already. Up a little hill, beside a waterfall, interacting with ducks or moorhens. That was a kookaburra flying past and chatting to you always cheers me up. They're smart. There I am, getting back in the car. That was very nice, brief little walk. Just what I needed. Brave little joggers.